We are going to the tennis courts by our apartment. Now we're being hit by Hurricane Harvey. Good afternoon. Right now, as you can see, Andrew's holding tennis rackets. We are going to the tennis courts by our apartment to play tennis. We haven't done this in like probably a year or something. I don't even know. Long time.
It has been a while.
So if we suck, that's why. Time to kick Andrew's butt. Tennis is no joke. As you can tell by how disgusting we look. Also, there's a bunch of people there that actually know how to play and play well.
Yeah, we're probably the newbiest people.
Yeah,
Here.
We're like super embarrassing. So we're headed home now. Probably to go get some Burger King.
Probably to completely negate the physical activity we just engaged in.
3 days later.
Okay, fast forward, now it's the weekend and it's actually our last weekend of summer. We're supposed to start school on Monday. But for those of you that don't know or don't live in Texas, right now we're being hit by Hurricane Harvey. So we actually have school canceled on Monday. So we have an extra long summer by 1 day, and it's Saturday now and it's literally just pouring rain outside. It's been pouring all night, it's been pouring all day, it's gonna pour all weekend. So right now we are about to put on some rain gear,
Go outside.
and bring the GoPro and embark into the hurricane.
And do some white people shit.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.